All right, it's definitely a cold and icy day. Gonna do some chores. I have some goats that are making some noises. Let's see what's going on. I'm sure she's just hungry. Oh, here they all come. It's feeding time. Some Christmas trees that they demolished. It's a little Annabelle. Hi, Annabelle. Hay feeder. So what we do here is it's a self feeder, but we still have to kind of push the hay down so they can get it all. There we go. But they don't want the hay right now. They want some grains. You guys want some grains? Hi, Tori. Tori will have some hay. So this holds about 30 bales, which is nice. Okay. Come on, let's do it. Let's get some grains. Back up. No. All right. Build up some grains in the buckets. There we go. Got a little molasses, some oats, got a little cracked corn, and all their vitamins and minerals. Now you got to trick them out. They're like, which way you going? Where are you going to feed it? Where are you going to do it? So I come over here, dump a little there. And come over here, feed some here. Then lost some goats. Now I can feed it here. Of course, they still get it all over their heads. Now that they're distracted, anybody else? There's a mama I don't see. Come on, mama. Are you getting pregnant? Are you already pregnant? You gonna give birth soon? There's mom over here. She didn't come because she's due very soon. So she's trying to take it easy. Hey, mama. You want some grains? Here, I'll give them to you right here. You don't have to go far. There you go. Need some of that. Hi, Maisie. So what we do is check for any discharge back there. Hi. Well, she's not having any of it. Got some 2 sick turkeys in there. They're isolated from the rest of the pack. Pack. Hi, Grayson. How you doing? Hey, little guys. You want some more? I got some more for you. Put it right here. There we go. So that one's the grains for the goats. That one's the dog food. This is extra hay bale storage under here. And that's our creep feeder. Me and my wife built this barn, shed thingy. Pretty neat, huh? Goat crossing. All right, so that's those guys. Let's go check out down here at the, let's check the other animals. Hold on. There she goes. She's eating. This is our peacock. Got a heated dish for some water, which is good. This is Aiden's coop. They have a heat lamp. These are the silkies. They're hungry. You guys go. Want some? They were just chicklings, a couple days old when we put them in here. So the heat lamp keeps them warm and the water from freezing. I'm gonna just slosh this around, get some fresh stuff going down. And the eggs hiding in here. There's the eggs. Already collected them. All right, you guys are good. Good till the morning. Let's check these sick turkeys right here. Let's see how they're doing. I don't know what's wrong with them. They just got a little congestion. There's one up there. Hello. You see the little respiratory thing going on. So we're giving them medicated food and some chick starter. So their water's not frozen, I don't think. Nope, that's good. Throw them some grains or some chick starter. Little wind block, moving blanket. Not the most professional thing, but it was a last minute fix. Didn't name this guy yet. Hello, peacock. Or are you a pea chick? We don't know yet. Just chilling out right there, huh? Check your food over here. Got it underneath here, so that looks pretty good. You're set. All right. Waters all look good, so let's go check the ducks and chickens. So in the winter time here, water is always a pain in the butt. So we try to do as many heated bowls and dishes as possible. And the ones that we can't, I actually just get the water from, oh, I have a leak. This is my cistern. I have a bunch of koi fish in there. They're down below right now, which pumps up here and recycles. But I don't think the drain is completely working, so I just shake these hoses. I think next year I'll invest in some non-corrugated piping. Make sure these drain holes are working. Oh, that's cold. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. Now the water's flushing out. This corrugation catches some debris and I gotta shake them off. But what I was saying is, I grab the water from here because this never freezes. Because I got aeration, it's 10 feet deep, and it's always being topped off by a hand-dug well and a solar pump. So that's where I just scoop my water from, so I don't have to fill it up with a hose. The overflow goes down this little stream, which in the summertime irrigates our garden, goes over to the pig pen. Let's head down there. Oh, gotta carry buckets of water around sometimes. That's what you gotta do. This is our property. We've got a little moat here, which is frozen over, but believe it or not, the water still is moving and traveling. So I stop and say hi to the pigs. Hello, piggies. Make sure that their little watering hole is opened up. Totally good. Those are frozen over right now, so we just used the watering hole. Now, let's go check out the turkeys, ducks, and chickens. Hi, turkey. Yep, we eat turkeys. We ate that guy's brother for Thanksgiving. How's it going in here? Little heat lamp keeps the water from freezing. Dump out the nasty. Put in the fresh. Let's see them all. Well, hello, guys. How is everybody doing? Where's your stash of eggs? Right now the stash of eggs is down there in the corner. And probably in that corner, but Kayla will come get them. I got these self-feeders I made. Fresh water for you guys. It's starting to hail out there. All right, enjoy. Now we'll go to the ducks, which in the summertime, this little pond is not frozen. Right now, they're being pretty dumb, so I have to train them to stay in this little house over here. They're gonna be noisy. You ready? Here they go. Hey, duckies. Yep, they polished that water off. Hey, duckies. They're being dumb because they get all wet and then they don't come in here when I don't have this door, and they just stay wet and then they freeze over. We had one get frostbite. So let's see if I can set this up somewhere. Pour the water in. This is twice a day. This is annoying. They like to play in it more than they like to drink it. I tried a bowl, but they were having a splash party. There you go, duckies. All right. Come on. Hey, relax. It's fine. It's okay. Shh. It's okay, guys. Yeah, I just gotta talk to you a little bit to quiet you down. All right, I'm out of here. So we get duck eggs, we get chicken eggs, we eat turkey. Let's check this auto feeder out. Pretty good. It's pretty simple. I just cut some slots on the bottom of that and spaced it out with a 2x4. Put a rock in there to keep the wind from doing anything. All right, next we're gonna go do the cows and the billies way back there. I'll feed the pigs too while I'm at it. Here's a little pig house. This is actually just a feed house. They come in to eat every now and then out of here. There's a bowl. Throw the bowl there. They eat layered mash. Doesn't that look good? Who's coming? Is that Rocky? Here comes Rocky. Hey, Rocky. Oh, I won't scare you away. Go ahead, eat your food. You guys ready for yours? Yeah, here we go. Ooh. Let's get some in the other buckets for them. Oh, there's two of them over here. You guys gonna share? I don't think so. Let's give you a little pile there. Go ahead. Oh, yeah. So, 2 times a day layered mash. You saying hi? Ow, don't bite my feet. Don't bite my feet. So they like to sleep in that shed over there. And then they got this whole area inside here, which gets really nice and shady for them in the summertime. All right. They're set. You guys are good? Okay. Enjoy. Extra bags of feed go up there. All right, now let's go get some more water and bring it back to the billies and the cows. Hi, Maisie. How you doing? Maisie wants to play fetch. Oh, I forgot. We got to check on these guys. This is the kidding pen for the mamas. Hi, guys. Shania and her baby. She got water. She got grains. Who making noises over there? Mama, get off her foot. Get off the foot. Stinker. That's how they get hurt. Be nice. All right. You guys doing good? They're doing good. Water's good. Grain's a little low over here. So, hi, Mama. I'll give you a handful of fresh grains. Yummy. Here you go, Daisy. You want some too? All good. All right, we got security cameras in here so we can see what's going on at night. Make sure everything's kosher. I gave it to you. I gave you your food. Yep. So we can turn this light off. Say goodnight. See you tomorrow. I can watch you from my bedroom. All right, where was I? Oh, right. Water. Bringing it back to the billies and the goats. I mean, the cows. So let me tell you, having farm animals is not easy. It's a lot of work. So if you plan on doing something like this, be prepared. So let's see. Yep, my drain hoses are working better now. That's the incoming. Those are the two outgoing. These are my snails. I mean, it's been in the 20s or lower, and none of this water freezes, which is super nice. Under that bucket, I have an aeration. It's a septic aerator. And that's so I can keep it aerated for the koi fish. Okay. Kayla's headed out to do the chickens. All right, we'll scoop it up. This is for cows. And I'll leave that here for the moment, and I'll go get the tractor. Well, I have a lot of different devices I could take out there. Oh. All right, let's go get it. So as of now, I'm just using this little zero turn. I do have a couple little tractors over there, but the tires are flat. So let's get this thing started and head back there. Oh, look at all this ice. Whew. Take this off so I have a dry seat. Let's get it going. All right, let's go pick up the water. guess they know it's supper time. So the cows stay back with this simple electric fence. Covers about 2.5 acres. And a pond over there, which is frozen over right now. So unfortunately, this is what I have to do with the water every day, morning and night. Hello. Oh, how you doing? Billy, stay back here because obviously we don't want any unwanted pregnancies. Let's check and see if it's frozen. Not too bad. All right, let's just top them all off. There we go. You guys just want food, don't you? You just want food. That's not food. That's not food. So, all my other goats have the Pet Safe shock collar on. And I have one stubborn Billy up here. And this stubborn Billy, I don't know, it's probably blind you guys, I'm sure. He was getting through this fence. Let's see what we got here. Grains. Ooh. I'll give you one scoop to keep you busy for now.